Let's dive in and start adding those checkboxes. Open your Excel spreadsheet where you want to add checkboxes. Click on the Developer tab from the ribbon. If the Developer tab is not visible, enable it by going to File and then Options. In the Excel Options window, click on Customize Ribbon and check the Developer box. Once the Developer tab is visible, select Insert in the Controls section. Choose the Checkbox option from the Form Controls section. Click where you want to place the checkbox in the spreadsheet. To add more checkboxes, simply copy and paste the one you created or repeat the process. If needed, adjust the size or location of the checkboxes by clicking and dragging. Link the checkbox to a cell by right-clicking the checkbox, selecting Format Control, and setting the cell link. Now that you've mastered checkboxes in Excel. Hope this was easy. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to get new video updates.